are you, madam? What's your name?
My name is Bhavna, and I had commented on your YouTube video
Yes,
that
yes,
even
yes.
I also want to practice English. The intention was not to be on the video. The intention was to just practice English, as I do not have any companion along with me to speak in English. So I just thought, why not to try along with you?
But you don't need companion. A person have, like you don't need companion. Why you need a companion? People thought that with person. Why? I don't think so. That like for me myself, I don't need companion. I practice myself.
I'm also focusing on practicing with myself nowadays. I'm actually thinking each and every situation in my life, like whatever is coming inside my head, I try to like think in English. I like whatever is happening around me. Like if I'm in any situation, then I speak to myself in English that, oh, this is happening to me. Like like whatever, like these kind of stuff. Like I'm trying like this, but I sort of feel like that if I speak with someone, there is a difference. Like the situations are different, and there we actually learn how to confidently speak with other people. Like there should be a confidence
Yes,
also, because many people, like, they get worried in front of other people, and they start stumbling in between, like when they speak in English. And when they speak with themselves, they are comfortable and they don't stumble in between. Like it shouldn't happen like that. So that is why I always try that at least there should be someone to speak with me in English.
nowadays.
No, but you are definitely doing a right job, because I normally now I try to watch more and more English videos on YouTube, and I stumbled upon your YouTube video out of random. And when I saw your thumbnail of YouTube video, I was like, he wouldn't be able to speak in English. Let's just watch it out. Like you were on my recommendation page out of random, but when I clicked the video and when I heard you, I was like, oh my gosh! I mean, I didn't even imagine like he could have, like, you can speak this English. No one can ever imagine that, like, by your face. I'm not being rude over here, and I'm not being judgmental. I'm just telling you that no one can imagine that you can speak that good English. Like, you actually are really well at this.
So Bhavna, what's your goal? Why you want to learn English? Well, I don't have anything, but what's your? It might be your something.
No, there is no specific goal like that. I don't really have any goal, you can say. There are many people who opt for IELTS exam, and that is why they completely start to speak in English. But like now, I don't have any such thought in my mind to appear for IELTS or any other exam like that. But out of random, I'm telling you now, during this lockdown period, I felt as if I should learn to speak in English, like fluently. I know how to speak
Yes.
in English, but I stumble in between. I want to speak fluently. I didn't even imagine that you can speak this well. But when I actually saw your videos, after watching two or three videos, I was like, oh my god, he really speaks very well. You also communicate with foreigners, so
Yes,
that's
yes,
really
yes.
amazing. I mean, you can communicate along with them also. I might get nervous in front of them. You in which you made that teacher confused. I mean, you asked her a question and she wasn't knowing the answer, and it was a grammar related question. And I was like, this banda is like out of the world. He's making teachers confused on what to answer. And we people, if we would have communicated with them, we would have got nervous and they would have made fun of ourselves. And you actually made fun of themselves. Them, I mean, sorry.
Well, I'm enjoying with them people.
I mean, you are accustomed to it. I mean, you are used to it now. Like you don't really get nervous. Like you might get nervous, like not that much, but you
Mm.
are really used to speak with them. So it doesn't really affects you a lot. And there was one video also in which you were teaching him new words, and I was like, he's teaching the teacher. Like, what are teachers supposed to do now? You are going and teaching them.
Yes, yes. Well, I'll tell you one thing. Nowadays, English is my cup of tea. I'm enjoying English, really.
Yeah, I also want to make my English like that. Like
Yeah,
it should be my.
inshallah. It's not a big deal. It's not a
I
big
know
deal,
it's not a big
Bhavna.
deal. It's just practice. Like the more we practice, the more we will be able to speak in English.
Just practice, just concentrate. that's fine. Then there's no need to do anything more, you know. That's effort is good.
People make it a huge issue, like it's a big deal as if, but it isn't.
It isn't, it's not a big deal. Just practice, you know, the main pillar is practice. If you
Yeah,
practice well, your English will be fluent and soon, you know.
I hope so. I become a fluent speaker.
Definitely you are, definitely you will be, definitely you will be, my dear. Just just do practice.
Yeah. After this video call, I sort of have some confidence with myself that yes, I can actually speak with other people on video call in English.
Yeah,
I
yeah, you can speak. You can speak.
think.
So what do you do, Baba? What do you do? Who are you actually?
Um, I'm from Mumbai, and basically, I completed my computer engineering in 2018, and then I completed studying Android. I worked as an Android developer, and now I'm studying further for automation testing, and I'm also learning English.